Now in this video, I will review the Monoprice Modern Retro headphones and I'll let you guys know how these headphones blew my mind, so keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release videos at least twice a week, sometimes is 3 times a week. And if you're returning as a subscriber, welcome back and let's hang out. Now firstly, the unboxing process is pretty straightforward as due to its price factor, it just comes with the headphones which are covered with the protective plastic wrapper and that's it. Now these headphones is an over-the-ear headphones where it sits comfortably on your head and at the sides as well. Now it rested very well and I did not feel any fatigue compared to the typical on-ear headphones that I've tested. So this means 2 things. Firstly, it is super comfortable when you put it on your head. And of course, second of all, if you guys listen to music for a really long time, you will find your ears to sweat just a little bit. But I did not mind the latter since I love the overall comfort. Now as for build quality, the headphones is overall made of hard plastic. It is pretty light and although it felt light and cheap, but considering its price, my expectations were low on these headphones. But of course for me, the lighter the better. Now one thing to keep in mind that these headphones has no manual adjustments for the headband, so it will adjust accordingly to your head when you put it on, as there are these moving parts both sides of the headphones to make sure that it holds in place. Now speaking of the headbands, it is made of plastic leather, there's no paddings over here, so if you guys are bald-headed, you might have a little issue over there, so keep that in mind. Now the ear pads are decent, not the most comfortable ever, but at the same time not uncomfortable during long usage. And what's great is that you can easily change the ear pads to a Monoprice brand type or even other brand ear pads as well, so that's great to know. Now there's no option to fold the ear cups to store the headphones and you can't even rotate the ear cups as well, so take note of that. Now I have to say that the overall design of these headphones does look very close to the AKG K240 headphones. So do let me know if you guys would like to see a comparison video between these 2 headphones at the comment section below. Now since this is a straightforward wired headphones, there is no option to control the playback controls as expected. And speaking of wired headphones, I love how it comes with a really long 9.8 feet cable and it also has a 1/4 inch jack which you can screw off to use a 3.5mm headphones jack. But it would be nice if the cables could be replaced in the future because you can't, as the wires are built into the headphones. Now let's talk about the sound and its listening experience. First of all, right under the ear cups there is a 50mm speaker driver compared to a typical 40mm speaker driver which most headphones within the price range has. Now here's where listening to these headphones was really mind-blowing because I had very low expectations when listening on these headphones, and here's my breakdown according to the type of music that I listen on the headphones. Now first of all, as a rock fan, I listened to Creed's Full Circle album and I found that the clarity was amazing, the guitars, the bass and the drums was well balanced, but I did find that the kick drums could use a bit low end, but then again, my expectations were low, so I skipped to another band. Next, I heard Queen and here's where I could feel the nice clean vocals from Mr. Freddie Mercury, so I was starting to get a bit more impressed. Then when I switched to Deadmau5, They Might Be Coffee and Astral's Pyramid, here's where I was absolutely floored by the sound quality, especially when the kick kicks in. I could not only typically find the bass vibrate nicely on the ear cups, but even at its maximum volume, the bass was clear as sky. And there was a proper vocal and music balance when listening to Logic's Young Sinatra 4 album. So finally I went to listen to something a bit more low key and a bit more low energy, where I listened to James Morrison, You Gave Me Something, and here's where again the overall raspy vocals and the music gel perfectly. Oh, I don't have a footage of me doing this as I just subscribed to a premium account for Tidal, so thank you T-Burn. Right after shooting these B-rolls and I listened to the same songs and I even tested songs which I'm not really proud of, like Justin Bieber's Yummy. Yeah. And yes, these headphones handle the 808 low-end bass sound like a beast with no distortion at maximum volume. So yes, I was really impressed by the sound and I loved the headphones so much that I was even listening to these headphones while I was scripting this video, and I have to say that I've missed listening to a wired headphones, as it meant that I did not have to typically worry about battery life or even pairing any of my devices with these headphones. So yes, this is one of the reasons why I'm out to look for a high quality USB-C DAC or DAC to plug into my smartphone and enjoy this kind of amazing sound quality, which I'm sure I'm going to get my hands on really soon, since the guys from TechX has a myriad of options available under their store. And now for the moment that you guys have been waiting for. Yep, the price. Believe it or not, this Monoprice Modern Retro headphones is going for only 225 ringgit, and it's an absolute no-brainer for you guys to get these headphones, as it is the best wired headphones that you can get within this price value. And heck, even if these headphones was 400 ringgit, I would still recommend it. And if you guys are planning to get it, you can get it at TechX website, where these headphones is available for sale over there, especially if you guys are from Malaysia. And for those of you who are interested to go to their retail store, they have a retail store at Damansara Perdana as well, where you could get your hands-on experience with the headphones. And if you guys are not satisfied with the quality of their products, they will give you a refund and plus another 20% of what exactly you guys have paid for. And if you guys are planning to get this headphone stand, it's also available on sale over there. So there you have it, guys. Now instead of me asking whether or not you guys are planning to get these headphones, I'm going to tell you guys to go out and get it, because I think that this is definitely headphones which I fully recommend. But in case you guys have any other questions, do let me know at the comment section below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. And if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.